Everyone, my name is Khang. I'm 9 years old. I'm in Winton Primary School. I live in Chipman City today, and we're very happy to talk about Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. A volcano wonderland. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is on an island in Hawaii. A national park protects land. Volcanoes form a park. Volcanoes begin with hot, with rocks deep in the earth. The rocks push up through the air and cool over time. The rocks build up into volcanoes. Two special volcanoes are in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. One volcano in the world is very effective. Living lava. In 1959, one volcano shot lava higher in the air than the Eiffel Tower. Oh, shit! Another volcano in the park is very, very big. Amazing history. Hawaii Volcano National Park is 500 square miles, 1,347 square kilometers. People had to come to see the volcanoes for a long time. And then became a national park in 1916. There are volcanoes and lava tubes. Lava tubes are big tunnels under the ground. People can walk through them. Wildlife volcano age. Hundreds of animals are retained in the earth. Hundreds of plants are retained in the park. Enjoy, but watch your step. You can hire a camp in the park. When the volcanoes are effective, the parts of the park stores. Hawaii Volcano National Park is spot to visit. Next at the way. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.